you look right up along the passenger side of the engine in front of the starter, you're going to see the knock sensor. It's located right here. We're going to need to get the wiring off of it, of course, and then we'll unscrew it from the engine block. Use your small pocket screwdriver. I'm going to come right up along this edge right here. It's a little clip you do. Grab that, try to pull it down a little bit. Grab the other one, pull that one down. We're going to see if we can get this off of here. Okay, that flips right aside like that. Now that we have that unclipped, just grab onto this, give it a good squeeze, and then it should draw right off. Take a peek, make sure it's not corroded. Now we're going to use our 22mm socket, and we're going to remove this right here. If you want to clean down the area, of course you can do that. You don't necessarily have to worry about anything because it's not going to fall into the engine, the guy said. There it is. Awesome. If you look at it, you can see that it wasn't completely threaded in until it was completely bottomed out. It's only about halfway up the threads. So remember that when it comes time to install your new one. Make sure you start it in by hand to make sure it's going in completely straight. It's important to remember that this wasn't completely lined up / flush with the engine. It's only about halfway in. Let's get this on there. Clicks right on. Snap that in. Perfect. Clean down your area.